What's up? Welcome back. Sign name is, and today we're going to be learning relationship signs. Okay, are you ready? The first one is date. It's kind of like nice to meet you. Meeting is like this, but date is a D. So these are two signs that look similar, but are different. Date, okay? And then like husband or wife. So because boy signs are like above the eyes in American Sign Language, it'd be husband, and then wife, wife. It's always like connected. And I love you. Okay, bye.